guys, it's Bonnie Wishes for the Food of It, and I have another recipe for you on seasonings. This time it is going to be a pumpkin spice seasoning. Thanksgiving is right around the corner and we love pies, and of course we love pumpkin pie. So I want to make the seasonings to go into it, whether you bake your pumpkin at home or buy it in a can, it doesn't matter. It's all the same thing. But a lot of times by the time you're ready to make a pie, you might not have all the ingredients and the store doesn't have it, and then you're just kind of out. So we going to make it ourselves, and it's just real quick. It's about 5 ingredients, and it will store for about 4 to 6 months. So I'm going to tell you what we have real quick, and I'm going to lower you down so you can see what I'm doing here. All right, so I have 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. And then I have 2 teaspoons of ground nutmeg. And then I have 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. And then I have 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. Now you can grind this yourself if you have the nuts. And then lastly is 1 teaspoon of ground allspice. And that's it. We're just going to mix this together, and then I'm going to put it in an airtight container. And you want to keep your seasonings usually in a dark, dry place, not by the stove. Like I have them by the stove. Don't do what I do, people. So anyway, this is good for, what is a pumpkin pie? It makes one large pumpkin. You know, usually the filling out of the pie, out of the pumpkin can. So mix that up, put an airtight container, and keep it until you're ready for it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Have a good day.